Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system, CD player, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated steering wheel, brake assist, tachometer, cargo organizer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.